May plan ba kayo magka-baby? Uy, may nagtatanong. Alpha ba? Afrikanong hilaw. May plan daw...
Masakit!
May plan daw ba tayo magka-baby?
Marry first.
Ha?
If you get married, after that we're gonna have baby. Because we have maraming something to do.
Ang hina ng boss mo. Sa'yo mo?
We're gonna get married first. And after that, we're going to have baby.
Oh, why you want marry first before have baby?
Yeah, and ready. It's not about you just want a baby and have baby. It's not about that.
Oh.
So you need to think about how about the baby, if you're gonna have baby, and how about your life is gonna change, and your baby need you gonna take it, and you're gonna have a lot of something to take care of your baby and your wife and myself. So if I'm ready about that, so I'm gonna have baby. It's not about you wanna have baby and go have baby. After that, a lot of something gonna come. Your life going to change. You have another life.
So it's like you don't rush and like you want good future.
Yeah, I just get ready because and take care. Not have everything, but have something to take care of my baby and myself and you also. But it's not about I want baby and go have baby. That is very easy. If it's like that, everyone gonna have baby.
Oh.
If it's like that, I want a baby and go have baby. Everybody gonna have baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's your final answer?
Yeah, that's my final answer. I'm not ready for baby yet.
It's not about you don't want.
Yeah, I want. But it's not about I don't want. I want baby. But I'm not ready to have a baby. Not for me. I'm ready about myself, but I'm not ready for the baby because I don't have time yet. When I have baby, my son or my daughter, he need my time.
Because you're a very busy person now,
So
diba?
when I ready to have baby, I will have. It's no problem. Wala na problema.